E kinde no, Jatend migao mar Arita Kipchumba Murkomen bende kwayo jokenya mondo obed gi dimbruok e kinde ma gidonjo alap mar neno tuke mag CHAN. Murkomen olero ni okenge ma oketi gi riwruok matayo tuke mag adhula pinje Afrika miluongo ni CAF nyaka luw mondo eka Kenya kik yudre kama tek.
The fans are always called the 12th player, and we do not want to miss the opportunity to have the fans or to play before our own fans. I therefore, from a security perspective, would like to beg all Kenyans to really avoid going to the stadium unless you have a ticket. It is going to reflect badly on us. It is going to give us security problems. If the capacity of the stadium is exited, you can easily have a massive disaster and a security challenge for all of us. I want to request Kenyans, for the sake of our team, and if we all want Harambee Stars to reach finals, let us respect the regulations that CAF has put in place, and even the penalty they have given us to play 60% of the capacity. Let's just abide by it, and let's buy the tickets the way it is required. It is important for us to do so.